Hello friends, I am myself Subhashish Raut. I joined Akash in class 11 for the preparation of JEE. I had a great learning experience with Akash. Akash provides a very healthy and competitive environment to perform well in the JEE exam. It also helps us to inculcate a competitive spirit, which is very important to crack JEE. Our results in various exams are reviewed and evaluated continuously, which helps us to identify our mistakes and improve upon them. Regular PTMs are conducted to discuss our academic performances with our parents, which motivates us to work harder. Regular motivational seminars are conducted at Akash, which are very inspiring. Through these seminars, our respected MD sir encouraged us to focus on our goal and helped us to perform better.
किसी भी एक्सेप्शनल सक्सेस के लिए, सक्सेस स्टोरी के लिए गॉड का आशीर्वाद, ब्लेसिंग होना ज़रूरी है। और वो कब होती है ब्लेसिंग? जब आप दिल से, रूह से उसका धन्यवाद करते हो कि हम तेरे ग्रेटफुल हैं, तूने इंसान बना दिया और हमें स्वस्थ बना दिया। बस
The best thing about Akash is its highly experienced and qualified teachers who always motivated me. My teachers always motivated me to do better and guided me in the right direction. They were always supportive and they were always ready to clear my doubts. Whenever I had any doubts, they were available. Their teaching methodology focused on conceptual and application-based questions, which were really helpful in cracking the JEE exam.
Let us suppose ये है ना, पूरी सिस्टम का फाइनल मोमेंटम डिफाइन करते हैं, तो ये मास ऑफ दिस मल्टीप्लाइड बाय v है, ये मास ऑफ b, ये वाला जो है वेलोसिटी ऑफ v, तो ये लोग ट्रैवल करते हैं.
The study material provided at Akash is very easy to understand as it includes illustrative theory and a huge number of application-based problems. It is quite sufficient and there is no need to purchase any extra books other than NCERT. The package consists of Target, which comprises of questions which help to polish the basic concepts, and application-based questions. The Akash Challenger, that comprises of advanced level questions, were very helpful in clearing the JEE exam. The Success Achiever for JEE Main and the Success Magnet for JEE Advanced are also very helpful as they are based on the difficulty level of JEE exam and are slightly more difficult than it. They instilled confidence in us. Apart from that, there were weekly assessments in the form of ECAPS, which contains conceptual questions that helps us to strengthen our concepts. Variety of tests such as the fortnightly test, subjective test and term tests are conducted to evaluate our preparations. Mock tests based on board pattern are also conducted. All these tests are based on the latest exam pattern, which help us to familiarize with the questions in advance. Further, there is also the All India Akash Test Series AITS, which helped to build my potential at All India level and where I stand among lakhs of students. I found the questions in AITS slightly more difficult and conceptual than the regular questions in JEE. The results of AITS helped me to analyze my weaknesses and strengthen my concepts. The doubt clearing sessions at Akash are very beneficial as we can approach our subject teachers on one-to-one basis and get all our doubts clarified. And the doubt session also introduce us to the doubts faced by our fellow students, which also helps us to build our concepts. Whenever I missed my classes due to illness or any other personal reasons, I could watch the recorded lectures of experienced faculties through iTutor. In addition, whenever I had doubts in any topic which was not clear to me, I simply accessed the recorded lectures. The library at Akash contains a number of amazing books by different authors. It contains almost any reference book required for JEE preparation. Whenever I needed a book, I issued it from Akash library. Throughout my entire time at Akash, I never had to purchase any additional books. Akash CBT offers a platform where we can attempt online tests which are a must for JEE, as all the JEE tests are conducted in online mode only. It offers a real exam scenario. Mock test designed by the expert Akash faculties provides a personalized core improvement program. In short, Akash played a significant role in my success and helped me to achieve my dream. I would suggest all of you to join Akash for its highly qualified and well-trained faculty, regular tests, individual doubt session, AITS, well-planned teaching schedules and Akash CBT. Apart from that, have faith in your abilities and always believe in yourself. Thank you.